Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious salad kebab. Your entire family and friends will love, and the kids will love them as well. Let's get started. Here I have my veggies. I have olives, some cucumber, some tomato. I have some Swiss cheese and some cheddar cheese. Over here I have some mini turkey pepperoni. And for my dressing, I have some balsamic glaze, white wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, mustard, and salt and pepper. So you could use any veggies of choice. And you want to just cut them in bite-sized pieces. And I'm just going to go ahead and add these to my skewers. And for the pepperoni, of course, you could use any other meat you like, or if you have the bigger pepperoni, you could go ahead and use that, but these were the one I have on hand. And you could switch out whatever vegetables you like with the ones you don't like, or the ones that you like, or the ones that you don't like with the ones you like. Okay, yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and skewer these up. Now this was so tasty. It's easy to prepare, and it's less cleanup, and everybody can have a salad on the go. It's that easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish skewering. I'm just going to show you how I do a couple. Then I'm going to do the rest off camera and then show you what we're working with. Now that these are done, I'm just going to go ahead and make my dressing. So here I have a squeeze bottle, and I'm just going to go in with my black pepper, some salt, my honey mustard, my balsamic glaze, some white wine vinegar, and my olive oil. Of course, this is so adjustable. You could add or taste and adjust as you like it. There's no right or wrong way to make your dressing, and you can't really mess this one up. You just add and taste to your liking, and it's just that simple. Then you want to make sure that you just go ahead and just squeeze it all on over, and then you could serve the rest on the side for if person want extra. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Please don't leave without giving me a thumbs up, liking, subscribing, and sharing. Hey guys, I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day, and bye bye.